it's Nan Gaming. We are trying to make a new type of video unrelated to gaming. Today, my brother is going to unbox his new OnePlus Nord, the affordable flagship phone for everyday use. Let's go check it out what it's like. As I already said, it's just an unboxing video. The price of this phone with the 12GB RAM and 256GB internal is approximately $400 and 30,000 Indian rupees.
So we are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Here it is, our new OnePlus Nord. After opening, we could see our phone on the top, wrapped with the words, "This way Nord." Let's see its color first. This Nord blue color is actually quite attractive. After the phone, we could see a welcome letter.
Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen. I need you.
After taking out the letter, we could find a phone case.
I've been flying from town to town, from London to Cyprus.
And we could see various things stuffed inside the phone case. First, we could find a OnePlus Nord sticker and a quick start guide for how we could use it, and a safety information which will include its precautions and something like that, and a red cable club card inside it. We could find a card stating the highest star value. I don't know. Oh, so the card is for the recycling of plastic. Gives the information regarding the plastic use. And there is also a SIM ejector, which is for inserting or removing the SIM. And here comes the charger. It's a red cable. I don't know why it's red when the phone is blue. It is a 30T wrap charger, which you could also find in other OnePlus phones. It actually charges 70% of the phone's battery within 30 minutes. Cool, right? No need to wait for a long time. At last, here comes our main hero. This phone inbuilds a 12GB RAM and 256GB internal with no external port. It also contains a 2 SIM port. It also contains a 48MP Sony IMX586 with OIS, optical image stabilizing, and flagship camera, smooth and steady video and clear images. It contains a protective case for minor damages.
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire.
Features of this phone includes a dual selfie camera with Oxygen OS. It also contains a 90Hz AMOLED display, Snapdragon 765G with 5G support, and contains a 30T wrap charger. When we come to its design, the design of OnePlus Nord is certainly where you pour your heart and soul into it. From choosing the colors and deciding on the form factor, they are uniquely placed. And for its size, it is significantly smaller than the OnePlus 8, but it's also wider because it had to maintain 20:9 aspect ratio. And here it is, the information as for how to use the fingerprint for security reasons. For security reasons, we can set up a fingerprint or a pattern or a pin. Here it is, the fingerprint setup, as it also takes the edges of the finger for an accurate and clear fingerprint.
Stay still, don't stop that thrill. My bones crave your skin, temptation within, mistakes ignite the silence. suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire.
Its camera quality is quite good. It contains a front camera of 32 mm Sony IMX616 with 8MP and 105 ultra wide angle for clear images. Here we can take our first image from this phone, which is a joystick representing gaming. As you can see here, the image is clear and the touch is easy to handle. Multitask can also be done and the other apps are easy to handle. For a fun fact, let's go to the calculator. When we add 1 plus is equal to never settle. It is the same in all the OnePlus phones. This OnePlus smartphone is a compact smartphone that offers the smoothest smartphone experience in the mid-range phones with a better experience. To make the things interesting, we wanted to check the network speed in our place, and so we took the first test with the fast, and its results came out to be nearing 82 Mbps. Actually wanted to check with various sites, and so we took 2 tests, one with the fast and the other with Ookla. And with the Ookla speed test, we could find the network speed in our place to be 92.03. To test helps us to find the network speed in our place. At last, let's go to our favorite part, which is gaming, and let's install the first game in the phone. For our convenience and better performance, we took the game Dead by Daylight. As far as gaming is concerned, OnePlus Nord can fairly handle in terms of its performance. Contains the Snapdragon 765G, which is also cut out for gaming. And let's watch the gaming video. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. And do please comment on our new attempt. Once again, thank you all for watching.